everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll take a look inside of Hunter x Hunter Volume 2, episodes 14 through 26 on Blu-ray. So, here is the cover, the spine, the back, which we'll first do this, and so you can read all the information. Here is the other spine. Take the slip cover off and you get a nice change. There's the spine again. And the back. Then you open it up and you get disc 1 with episodes 14 through 20. And disc 2 with episodes 21 through 26. And then you take this out and you get that artwork. And you take this one out and you get that artwork. And then it also came with postcards, which I didn't get for the first one, but I got for the second one. So I'll show you that. So here is the first one. The second one. And finally the third one. So this has been Hunter x Hunter Volume 2 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.